Hello creative people, welcome back to the brand new video by mhrabby. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create cinematic freeze frame effect in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. So guys, we have a great video for today, so let's get started and have some fun. Drag your footage and create a new sequence. Try to use tripod when you are shooting. In this video there are some camera shake, so this will be better for you cause you will face so many problems when you are using shaky footage. Go to the point where you want to add a freeze frame. Now click on this camera icon to take a snapshot. Use PNG format. JPEG format won't work for this project. Also check import into project. Now click OK and a snap will be added to the project panel. Now drag the image on the timeline and increase the duration. Then right click on the image and select Edit in Photoshop. After opening Photoshop, erase the background. I'm going to use artificial background remover. Simply open the property window and click on remove background. Right now I'm okay with it. You can give some time to remove the background with the pen tool. After removing the background, press Ctrl+S to save the image. Now let's move on to Premiere Pro. So our basic work is done now. Now let's see how to keep the subject moving according to the camera shake. Go to Effects Control and make a position keyframe. Then place the keyframe at the end. Now change the position value depending on the camera movement. Now it's looking more perfect. Give some time to make it realistic. Now let's create another freeze frame with the same technique. Turn off the old frame and take another snapshot. Then erase the background with Photoshop. Now save the image and go to Premiere Pro. Now turn on the old frame. Now let's add position keyframe for this frame too. There are some clouds remaining. So let's remove this from Photoshop. Save the PNG and move to Premiere Pro. Now preview the animation. I hope you will like the video. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up to my video. Also subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. See you next time. Till then, have some fun.